Hello students, after coming that is simply supported beam section. Okay, so far we studied 5 problems, that is cantilever beam with point load, cantilever beam with uniform distributed load, and cantilever beam with what uniform varying load. Okay, along with that also we studied also we practiced what simply supported beam with point load and simply supported beam with UDL, that is uniform distributed load. And this is an assignment. Okay, so you have to practice these 2 problems. That is the next is simply supported beam with uniform varying load. Okay, along with that a point load is acting. Look at this diagram. So here the aim of the experiment is what? To determine the maximum bending stresses and the deflection. Okay, also draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram and take the material property, that is Young modulus is equal to 200 gigapascal. Okay, so look at this diagram. So here this is here the point load is acting, here uniform distributed load is acting. Okay, so one end is completely fixed, another end, that is at this end, it is a roller support. Okay, so here uniform distributed load is 5 kilonewton per meter and the point load is acting at this point is 20 kilonewton. Okay, so the distance is also, the length is also given, that is from this point to this point 2 meter, and from this point to this point is 2 meter, from this to this is 6 meter. Okay, so look at this. So this is similar to what we did in the uniform distributed load, but here we are going to in the ANSYS we are going to select the uniform distributed load. Okay, same procedure you have to follow. Okay, so here at node number 1, so here you have to fix all the degree of freedom. Here along the x direction moment you have to unselect the degree of freedom. Okay, so this problem you have to practice in ANSYS software. Okay, so question is same, so this is also very important. Okay, so this is the same problem. If you one more problem is same. Okay, so here it is point load is not acting, so this is the second problem in simply supported beam with uniform distributed, that is a uniform varying load. Okay, so here also question is same, that is to determine the maximum bending stresses and the deflection. Also draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Okay, take the material property is equal to 200 gigapascal. Okay, so here look at this, this is the second problem. So here the one end is completely fixed, here roller support is acting. Okay, so here you have to unselect the the x moment direction. Okay, so here the uniform distributed load is 8 kilonewton per meter and length is 6 meter. Okay, so first you have to practice this diagram, then go for practices, then go for solving this problem. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can call me. Okay, so here you have to practice this problem in ANSYS software. Okay, so here this is like an assignment problem. These 2 problem if you practice means you will understand how to solve all the problem related to beams, that is cantilever beam, simply supported beam with point load, UDL, uniform distributed load. Okay, so here the main difference is you have to unselect here and you have to select the uniform distributed varying load. Okay, so here you have to give the 8 kilonewton in that processor option. Okay, so these 2 problems assignment. Okay, once if you perfect that above 5 problems, so that is related to beam, then it is very easy to solve these 2 problems. Okay, so you have to practice, and if you have any doubt means you can text or you can call me. Okay, so this is with respect to this. So we completed what the beam in ANSYS method. Okay, so that is simply supported beam, cantilever beam with both the problem with the point load, uniform distributed load, and uniform varying load. Okay, so in the next class we will move on to the related to trusses problem. Okay, so trusses, then go for bar problem. Okay, so okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so thank you.